Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Uppal Raj and in this video I will show you how to use voice mode in Grok. So voice mode allows you to talk Grok instead of typing your questions, and to use this feature first open Grok app on your device. Now here for voice mode you have two options. The first one is speak and the second one is this mic icon. You can use the mic icon for voice typing. You can enable this option and speak whatever you want. It immediately convert your voice into text. You just need to click on this stick icon. Now the second option is speak. So after clicking on speak option and allowing microphone access, you can ask anything to Grok and it will immediately answer you in speaking format.
Yep, I'm right here. Fire
Like
away.
this. Also, if you always want to use voice mode or want to talk with Grok, then you can enable voice mode on your Grok app. After enabling that option, whenever you launch Grok app, it will start speaking with you. Just click on this two horizontal line at top left corner of the screen and then click on the profile icon at top left corner again. Within this section, scroll down and turn on the toggle right to open app in voice mode. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.